Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be talking about how to play YouTube videos in your Flutter app. So first of all, you will have to install this package YouTube Player iframe, and without any delay let's jump into the code. So this is my home screen, and inside this I have taken stateful widget, and here as far as my UI is concerned, this is the text, this is text field, this is elevated button, and this frame is for playing YouTube videos. Which URL you will provide here and tap on this play button, the same video will be play here. So this is the part of UI, so I will explain each and everything. So for the text field I have created here text controller, and for video I have taken here YT controller, which is YouTube player controller, which is coming from the same package that I have installed initially, and it contains parameters, and you will have to provide YouTube player params, and it is showing here show full screen button. This is the full screen button, and if it is true then it will be visible, otherwise for full screen button it won't be visible also, like this. So if by default it is true, and if you make it false, this button will not be visible to you. Mute is false, it means it will play video with sound, and show controls is true, means this control will be visible to you. So initial state, inside this text field I am providing a video URL which will play initially, and when you will tap on this button YouTube video will start to play. And this is the method get video ID. So what is the actual thing here? This URL will be same, and YouTube video recognize this ID. So what I will do here, I am extracting this video ID from here. So first of all I am checking here this condition, if text controller dot text starts with this. There are actually two kinds of URL, youtube.b and youtube.com. else if what it will take, if the URL is this, then it will take the substring, means with the help of this I will take this particular ID. And for the same, for this URL youtube.com/watch v equal to, and again I am taking here substring dot length, and it will return a string which will be this ID. So inside this there is also a play method I have created here. So inside this, first of all video ID I will get it from this method, and I'm also printing here. I will show you in the console after printing this. If video ID is equal to null, then it will come inside this. When video ID will be equal to null, it will come inside this, and it will show some message like snack bar that there is some issue or problem. You can handle your error according to your message. And when it is not null, then YT controller dot load video by ID, and I will provide this ID inside this. I will put this code on GitHub and will share the link with you. You can check that, and you can also use this in your code. And yes, you can check GitHub link for that. I'll put that in the description. So as far as UI is concerned, this is the app bar, and this is again the widget YouTube player scaffold. It is also coming from the package that I have installed in the beginning, and it has a parameter of builder which takes context and player, and what I'm providing here is single child scroll view, and inside this it is a column, and this is the size box for providing this space, and this is text field which has a controller, and again this is the elevated button, and on press I'm calling this play method. Here it is, and then this is the player, and then controller, this is YT controller. So when I am going to play this, the video starts to play, and what I am going to do, I am just going to change the URL and show you whether it works or not. So let me choose another video like this one. Let me change the URL here. Let me tap on play. Now the video has changed, so it works. So that's it in our so that's it in this video. Hope to see you next time in the next video. Bye for now.